Hello, hello. How is everyone doing today? I decided to come on to do a quick face, and I already have my foundation and a little concealer on, but I still have brows and lips and eyes and all that good stuff to put on. So let's get started. So I've got this Chic Glam pen that I've been having a lot of fun with, and it's one of those ones that have the little like definitive hairs. So I've been using that for my brows lately and just going along the little hairs that I have, and then filling it in with a brown shadow. Brown shadow, filling it with a brown shadow. Okay. Doing that, and then I have our Goddess quad where I lost the silver one, but I just go in with an angle brush, okay, and just filling that in, and then taking a spoolie, just cleaning that up. Okay, there we go. It's so easy. This is like my new favorite thing. This by itself isn't quite enough, but the shadow itself isn't enough either, I have found. So just laying it down a little bit with, I guess this is, an ink, I don't know. I guess it's similar to lip stain. But this also helps so that if my shadow smears or I sweat or something, I don't have, there's still something there, there's still something there. There's my little blank spot where my little scar is, and it's even right there. It is hard to get it to attach. Okay, it's okay as long as they don't have to be perfect. They can be sisters, but not twins. Okay. Come over here to this is one of the glimmer quads. It's called Goddess. It has a pure gold, a warmer gold, and a silver shimmer, and then this black matte, not black, dark brown matte shadow, which is perfect if you like your brows to be dark brown. Now we have other quads that have matte shades in them. You can always message me and ask me, or comment below and ask me which, like if you have a lighter brown, we have one that has a light brown shade that's a matte shade, and one that has a kind of like a reddish brown, light reddish brown color that's good for redheads. So we do have that. So, and then I just take the spoolie, because it's almost like too dark if you leave it by itself, and depending on how dark you want your brows to be. So if you have really dark brown hair, now I want to add a little more color to this. There we go. And you have dark brown hair, or if you have lighter brown or blonde, it helps to have something. It helps to have a little something, okay? All right. Plus, you can always, if it still feels a little dark, you take a little bit of pressed powder. This is our cashmere. It's called FMG cashmere. FMG is Avon's house brand. We also have other brands too. And I just take a little with the brush and then dab over. That'll help set it, in addition to helps kind of diffuse, so it doesn't look quite so dark, but at the same time, it makes it look a little more natural, but at the same time, you still have the darkness there, if that makes sense. Okay, let's throw on a quick lip liner. Now, lately, I have been using, this is so funny, I've been using one of our Glimmer eyeliners in Bordeaux as my lip liner. We also have Merlot, which is similar, but something about Bordeaux I've been enjoying better. And it always is so funny when you put on a dark lip liner above first, and it always resembles like a little mustache. Anyway, go up, If you want to add a higher upper lip, just fill in that Cupid's bow and then just draw a little higher from there, okay? So next thing you know, you have a fuller upper lip, okay? And if I want to do something that's, I'll show one of the newer things. Where's the beige one? We have these new, they're called the Colors of Love Lip Butter, okay? Colors of Love Lip Butter. Click, click, click. And I like putting it on top of the liner because then it spreads a little bit. Look at how moisture. It gives color, it gives moisture. Really gorgeous. Gorgeous. Rich. And it feels so good on the lips, okay? So this is a nice little fall look. All right. So what else do we have? I was going to do that, but let's do Icon. Icon has burgundies and oranges. This one is gorgeous. Gorgeous. These also Glimmer Quad. This one has burgundies, oranges, yellows, and this really pretty purple. I'm doing a little bit just around here with the angle brush. Everybody's getting into the 90s again. It's so funny to see with a burgundy lip. And I think it's just where we're ready. We're ready. We had a lot of, beige, and nude lips. So it's just going down a few shades darker, right? Okay. Now, just put a little bit of that shade. That's the orangey shade in the Icon. If I want to add a little more, blend that out with a little bit of powder. Okay. Go back to my Glimmer Goddess, which has that brown shade. This right here is perfect for highlight. Really pretty. You can put it in your nose. You can put it in lots of little places. Blend it in. Okay, already. Now, I like Unique's eye primer. It's one of my favorites. This is my second favorite. Is Urban Decay. I used to sell Unique, but now I sell Avon. With Avon 4 years. I was with Unique, I think, almost 3. And before that, I've done New Skin. I did Avon back at Mark, the Mark line of Avon. I've also done, I did New Skin for a couple of years. I've done, also sold Truco with Sebastian when I was working in salons. I've used lots of commercial makeup brands. And all right, so this is the burgundy. Back to Icon. Do a little smoky in the corner. This is a really quick smoky eye here. I'm doing half burgundy. On an angle here, okay. Take a little of the edge, go under. Okay, like that. Then I go back to that same shimmer. That same shimmer. Go back to here and blend it out. Okay, this is the quickest. As you blend, you're actually pulling some of this from over here, over there. Look at how pretty. Easy, quick, 2 colors. Bam. Do that all the way up to the brow. Quick. It's called a Glimmer Liner. The Glimmer Liners have creams and shimmers. Waterproof, that's a cream. The cream is actually the deepest, most pigmentation. And then they have sparkly ones. They're called diamonds. So even though the word glimmer just refers to the line that has the red, okay? So we're going to do a quick liner here. Just pull that around here a little bit. I'm going to fade that with my edger. I call it the edger brush. Where's my edger brush? One thing at a time. was trying to keep it under 10, but I'm gonna need a moment, need a little more time. Okay. Edge of brush. Fan that out. Take it, I take that little, what's on that brush from where I just blended it out. Come under. If you get a little smearing, just make that smear part of the look. Sometimes the cream needs a little moment to set down. But what I do is I just take it, make that part of the line, blend it in. Any mistake, I make part of the look. Unless I can blend that out right there with a little edger. Here we go. Now all I need to do is a little mascara. I'm going to take the waterproof Love First Lash. So before I do that, I'm just going to blend this. This is a little bit more. There you go. Love First Lash. Oops. I need to blend this eye a little bit more. This is an easy, quick way, without having to lay down a whole lot of product. Okay, and then Love First Lash waterproof. A little underneath. There you go. I really like the curl you get with a curved brush. If you need to clean it up, take a Q-tip. You want to add a little bit more color. You can always go back and add a little bit more. Finish up just a little bit more powder. A little bit of our makeup setting spray. And you're good to go. Let me know what you think of this look. What kind of looks you'd like to see me try. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks. Bye.